Well, hi folks, coming to the end of October now. Hours just gone back last night, so it'll be dark at about 5 o'clock, which is a bit of a depressing thought. Winter's really coming along, so I'll just show you what I've been up to. So all I've been doing at the moment is replacing all of my raised beds now. As you can see, what's left of the rubbish, it was absolutely rotten as anything. So I thought I better get it done. So I've replaced everything now. Brand new 6x1 treated timber, brand new paths in and everything. And I've got actual paths now that I can walk down, because before these were only about 6 inches wide and I was sort of hobbling along in between them. So yeah, decided to get it done because it was all collapsing, and I thought it'll probably just collapse when I've got stuff growing in next year if I leave it. But there you go, it was a good task like. So I've knocked these posts in about 2 feet. They were about 3 foot long, and I knocked them all in really deep, so it's not going anywhere. And as usual, I've added my compost on top, and as much of the potato compost as I can spare. And I'm supposed to be getting some horse muck this week from a riding school, so we'll see how that gets on, and then I'll put some of that on top of this. But yeah, I'm pleased with it. It's all done, nice and solid now, all tucked up, ready for next year. But this year, it's still silly, still getting roses at this time of year. How crazy is that? And there's still buds coming. Just can't believe it. There's certainly something going on with this, with the climate at the moment. So I'll just show you the second bit that I've been doing. It's pretty similar to the first, but I'll just let you have a look. So again, I decided to fix all the rails on this, all the raised beds. There was a few little bits that didn't need replacing, but a lot of them did. So again, just hammered a load of big posts in and put some new wood in. And again, I've just been preparing for winter. This is where the early leaks were, so I've dug all those up now, put my compost on again as usual. They're the winter hardy ones, which I can just leave in and take when I need them, because they're supposed to be super hardy. So hopefully they should be okay. And then we've got some of the red cabbage all ready now, but like I said, they're so slow growing that they'll just stay like that all over winter generally until you need them. They won't start growing quickly like a lot of green cabbages do and explode. So that's the sort of benefit of the green cabbage. So a bit more of the new raised bed all done and dusted, another bit composted. So on to my big raised bed. As you know, I've already fixed this one and replaced all this as well. So I've got sort of 100% brand new raised beds now. That's all been composted, ready for over winter. And the only thing that's growing now are some turnips, which are growing quite well. If you have a look in there, some quite nice ones. So that's about all I've got growing, along with the leeks and red cabbage. And we've got a few more carrots in the boxes here, but they'll stay okay well into winter with them being so well drained. So just a short little video, folks, just showing you where I'm at. So nothing much happening, just getting ready for winter really. So that's about all, folks. See you later.